Papuling Bubuano, complete uniform, donated by Mosini. Yes, now. Paglinaw, intercepted by number 40, Tampugaw. Tampugaw to number 45 to Tampugaw. Back to Tampugaw. Tampugaw for 3. Anggot. Intercepted by Tampugaw number 45. Tampugaw now. Decision net. Looking for Sama to pass. Long pass to Anggot. Anggot against Dahilan. Looking for Stainless. Rivers Global. Steve. Long pass to Paglinaw. Rebound by Gary. Long pass to Tampugaw. Finally, for the first throw, B-I-N-G. Opinga. G. Lugat. Rebound by number 8. Long pass to Manggubat. Manggubat now pass to Ikot. Ikot na for 3. Lugat. Rebound by Manggubat. It's a nice follow-up committed by Manggubat. The score now is 4-2 in favor of Bubuhay Vipers. Tampugaw. Dribble the ball. Looking for Sama to pass. Long pass to Tampugaw. To Gani. Dribble the ball. Looking for Sama to pass. Intercepted by Tampugaw against Vilyasan. Long pass to Dahilan. Dahilan against Anggot. Long pass to Gani. Gani to Tampugaw. Tampugaw for 3. Double. Rebound by Tampugaw. Tampugaw now. Long pass to Tampugaw again. Mesa for 2. Double. Rebound by Vilyasan. Looking for Sama to pass to Gani. Gani against Vilyasan. To foul for Manto and first team foul for Bubuhay. Ikot to Anggot. Anggot dribble the ball against Dahilan. Looking for Sama to pass. Long pass to Manggubat. Pass to Anggot. Tampugaw dribble the ball. Looking for Sama to pass. Looking for Stainless. Steal. Tampugaw to Tampugaw. Back to Tampugaw. Tampugaw for 2. Lugat. Rebound by number 8. Yes now, Anggot. Long pass to Ikot. Ikot for 2. Ikot. Yes now, Gani to Dahilan. Dahilan now. Looking for Sama to pass. Looking for Stainless. Dahilan for 2. It's a nice layup committed by Dahilan. Score now is 8-6 in favor of Thunderboy. Thunderboy now is going to after this game. It will be played between Kirby versus Tulasian Uno. Yes now, Tampugaw against Anggot. It's a nice shot committed by Tampugaw, number 45. Yes now, Anggot. Dribble the ball against Dahilan. Looking for Sama to pass. Intercepted with by Dahilan. Dahilan dribble the ball. Looking for Sama to pass. Intercepted with Gani. Gani for 2 is a nice shot committed by Gani. Score now is 8-10. It's a change table. Bubuhay now is enjoying of 1 shot, 2 points. The very time left is 3 minutes and 35 seconds more to play before the end of the first quarter. Vilyasan, 2 points. It's a change table. 10-11 in favor of Tampugaw.